An investment brochure must communicate trust, clarity, and professionalism. Today, I will show you how to design a sleek investment brochure in Photoshop that impress corporate clients. Start by creating a new A4 size canvas document. Divide your layout into three folds using guides, perfect for brochure format. Choose a minimal color scheme, navy blue, gold, gray tones work great for finance. Import your company logo and tagline on the font panel for instant recognition. Add sections for about us, investment plans, and key highlights. Use icons or infographics to visualize terms, highlights, client testimonials,